everyone. Gaga Joy here at Gaga's Cooking. I'm glad you dropped in with us. Today we're going to do something that's one of those little tricky things that you see on TikTok, and then I saw it on Facebook a couple weeks ago, and I thought, that looks so cute, I think I'll try it. And it takes three things. It takes oil. And it's called pop pasta, P-O-P, pasta. And it's Mexican. It's not Italian. So you're going to have to look for this in a Mexican store or something like that. I got mine from Amazon. And if you look at it, it says, we twist chicharrones, traditional Mexican snack. And you just add the snack to your oil. It pops like popcorn. And then you put any kind of salt on it. Today we're going to be using, this is cinnamon, put a tablespoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of sugar in it. So we're going to be, our first batch, we'll put cinnamon and sugar on it. And I'm not even sure, I've had it running for a while, but I'll put one in there just to, when it pops up, we'll put some more in there. Anyway, these things are so cute, and I thought, well, need something cute for me and my grandchildren to do. I try to keep a little something going like that. And I thought this would be such a cute trick. Especially since it just looks, it is pasta. Fast and easy cooking instructions, saucepan, cooking oil. And these are called pellets. They look like the twirls of pasta, don't they? Well, now my oil has gotten up to 310, and we got our first popped one. That was cute. So let's try a few more. I hope you tried this. I love to do stuff like this, just to see how it turns out. Now, I've got 2 cups of oil in here. I'm just using the Crisco, just the vegetable oil or the kind you use, just to see how it works. Yep, here they go. Look, isn't that fascinating? I'm a kid, I guess. Okay, while the necks are cooking, I'll put this. And of course, be careful because it's hot oil. Just put our cinnamon sugar on it. I can get the oil. It's going. Wow. This is very cute. I won't let my grandchildren be around it though, because it doesn't pop out so far. Let me sit over here. Let it cool down a little bit. But as you see, the cinnamon and how much it popped up. From this to that. Let's see. Pop pasta. You can see how light it is. No, I don't see why you could put Italian dressing on it would be good. I laid it out. I'll put that in a minute. Say they're very good. Tune this down. Those are good. They probably would be good with just salt on them, like potato chip. So this is our pop pasta. You want to try it? It actually is very. It was fun. It didn't take, and they don't. It doesn't look to me like they've even taken any oil, just the heat. So try it. Let me know. And I remember, I got them at a mix. This came from Amazon, but when you go to the grocery store, you know they have the Mexican section, the Italian section, the Chinese section. You're probably going to find it there. And according to the directions, there's several different styles of them. Take care of yourself. Go pop some pasta. See you soon.